Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's inspired healing meditation, you are guided, as always, to connect deeply with the heart of the earth, with the heart of the sun, feeling yourself as a channel of beautiful, divine love on earth. In this guided experience, you will visualize a door and a key in your pocket, and just beyond this door is a beautiful treasure for you to discover. Please leave me a message, reach out, send an email or a comment, because I can't wait to hear about your experience with this meditation. And I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Let's begin today's healing meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. We notice our breath. We set the intention of strong connectedness, strong alignment, opening to love, opening to truth and wisdom. We set the intention of healing ourselves and our planet. We take a deep breath, and as we exhale, we feel ourselves root down into our earth. We feel our strong connection all the way to the center of our earth, to her heart. We take a few moments to breathe with the heart of our earth. We bring our awareness to the sun, God, energy, visualizing the heart of the sun, taking a few moments to breathe with the sun, allowing the rays to flow toward us, through us. We visualize drawing in earth and sun energy as we inhale into our own heart space. And we exhale and relax. We inhale earth and sun energy. And as we exhale, we strengthen and widen our channel of love. We remember that in each day we are new. Each day we are born again. Each day we rise up as if for the first time. Each day we have something new to look forward to or to discover. Each day is indeed new. We are different. Others are different. Our earth is different. We are in constant change in every single moment. Changing, evolving, growing, expanding is our goal. In this moment, we choose expansion. In this moment, we choose growing. In this moment, we choose evolution. We can take a deep breath into our own evolution. We can see and feel and know who we are in this moment, but that is different from a moment from now and from the moment prior. This is a gift we can give to ourselves and to others, to see ourselves and others new in every single moment. We use this beautiful divine energy to move us, to grow us, to expand us, to change us. And the question is, do you make a choice for evolution? Do you make a choice for change? Do you make a choice for growth? Do you believe that there's more to this existence? And I believe you do. Otherwise, you would not be here in this moment. This moment of softening, connecting, releasing, rejuvenating, healing. Here we are together, making a choice for ourselves, for our planet. In your mind's eye, we can visualize a door. And in your pocket is a key to this door. And if you'd like to, you can take the key and see if it fits into the door and open the door and walk through the door. But you don't have to. You can stay where you are. That's a choice, to stay where you are. But I invite you to open to curiosity, open to new beginnings, open to potential just beyond what you can see with your eyes in this moment. I invite you to open to potential that is available to you when you walk through that door. And walking through the door is a gift to yourself and to others, a responsibility. Walking through the door will stretch your capacity to delay gratification. We are becoming masters of our minds. We are strengthening our selves. And this delaying gratification arises because we can see the candy, for example, the sweets, the treats, the prizes, the money, the fame, the glory. We can see right here the material world. Here we can see it. We see the material world. Yet we can choose to leave it to the side for now, like a child looking at a marshmallow on a table. We can move that material world to the side and step into something unknown, something where we will have so much abundance and joy and beauty. Yet it requires us to suffer a little bit, be stretched a little bit, feel discomfort a little bit. And it is only through the discomfort that we learn and grow and evolve and expand and hold the true fruit of this existence, the spiritual fruit of love, peace, joy. Oh. Mm. You can choose to sit on your beautiful couch with your feet up, watching an exciting movie, eating the most delicious foods and enjoying beautiful textures and fleeting moments of pleasure. Or you can choose to move deeper, delaying the pleasure of the material world for a few moments. Let yourself be stretched, expanded, and rise up into your most ultimate potential on this planet. Together, we can rise to our most ultimate potential on this planet. And if you are still here with me, I'm certain you feel the call. And just trust each step, each small step is worth it. There will be one step forward and a little step back. Like a little salsa dance, spiritual salsa dancing. Follow your intuition and know that there is always a door. In your mind's eye, you can see a huge chest of keys. There are many doors. There are many moments. There are many opportunities. Trust yourself. We remember how blessed we are. We know that we are always connected. Earth and sky. We are channels of love. This we know. Come back to your heart. Take a deep breath. And when you feel ready, open your eyes and move toward your journal. Take this opportunity to journal, free write, stream of consciousness writing. Trust the words that flow through you onto the paper for your healing, for your growth, for your understanding, for your self-expression, and building the relationship with your highest self. Much love. See you next time.